How can I use conditional formatting in an Excel table using structured references? I believe I am correct in saying that a reference to a column in a table, e.g. table 1, col 1, is known as a structured reference, as opposed to an absolute reference, e.g. A1 column A5. I would like to know if it is possible to use structured references in a table. This post, Structured Table References in Conditional Formatting Formulas, suggests that it is possible using indirect, however I cannot figure out how to achieve what I need. I'll explain. Take this contrived example. This is a table. I would like the value in col 2 to be colored green, if it is equal to the value in col 1, and I'd like to use conditional formatting to do it. Essentially, I want it to look like this. I attempted to use a formula to determine which cells to format. The formula is equals indirect, table 1, col 1, equals indirect, table 1, col 2. But none of the cells changed their formatting. Anyone know how to do this?
Include the table name and add the @ symbol to reference row for row. Click for larger image.
For me, the following works. First cell of the column to be formatted is selected, then conditional formatting dash. Use a formula dash. Edit rule. Put in table column to be formatted equals column to compare to. The first cell should be formatted now. Then I used Format Painter for the rest of the column, in your case col 2. It worked for me. Hope it works for you as well. Martine. Disregard. After rechecking the effects, I noted the conditioning does not work.
If watching control, this is your line inside.